Hello, friends! Do you want to make this viral content house restoration videos in just a few minutes, and it is completely free? So you have come to the right video. In this video, I will tell you step by step how you can create such a viral content renovation videos. So keep watching. First step. Simply go to Pinterest and search house and download some house pictures which you like. Here you will find images of all kinds of house renovation and decoration. Simply download them. Second step. After downloading the house image, you have to go on ChatGPT, and here you can see apps. Simply click on it. And here on the right side, you will find the GPT's option. Click on it. Then search for Restoration Timelapse and simply click on Start Chat. Now, just put the pictures of the house in the chat, write Start and press Enter. Now ChatGPT automatically give you text to image prompt and image to video prompt scan by scan. Now we don't have to do much, just copy and paste it. It is very easy, and you can do this process from your phone also. Now let's move on to our third step. Now you just need to copy the text to image prompt and simply go on Grok AI and simply click on Imagine tab. Now simply select the house image that you downloaded from Pinterest, and you have to copy and paste the text to image prompt written by ChatGPT. Now it will take a few seconds to generate, and you can see that the first image of our house renovation is ready. Now you have to download this image and just have to repeat this process. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the text to image prompt of the second scan, and go back to Grok AI. Select the first scan house image you just downloaded earlier, and just copy-paste the prompt and image, and get it done. In these few seconds, the image of house our second scan will also be generated. So now you have to generate all the images like this, just by copying and pasting. And when all your images are ready, let's move on to our fourth step, where we will convert these images into video. For this, we are going to use the Grok AI. So first of all, you have to copy of the first scan image to video prompt and go on Grok AI. Select the video tab, select the image of the first scan house, and just copy and paste the prompt and get the video generated. In a few seconds, you can see here that the renovation video of our first scan is ready, so you just have to copy and paste the image to video prompt of each scan and get the video generated. This is very simple. You just have to copy and paste it, and when all your videos are ready. Now let's move to our last step. We simply have to put all these videos in one place and edit them. For this, we will open any editing software and adjust them scan by scan. If you want to add any background music, you can do so. Here, we will simply export the video. So friends, in this video we taught how we can make a video of home renovation in a few minutes. So if you have any problem related to this video, then you can write something in the comment box. This is all that is needed in this video. Thanks for watching.